Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs really good full guide. Start by selecting the freshest eggs and bring them to room temperature for even cooking. Use a non-stick pan with low heat and a little butter for flavor. Stir gently for soft scrambles or cover for fluffy omelets. Season at the end with salt and pepper to preserve texture and rest briefly before serving for best results. I will explain simple timing and techniques to change texture and flavor with confidence. Use low, steady heat and patience. That controls moisture and shape. Stirring makes creamy curds, folding traps steam for fluffy omelets, and basting produces glossy fried yolks. Adjust cook time by 10 to 30 seconds per batch to fine-tune doneness. Finish with a quick rest so carry-over heat evens the center for perfect eggs. In this video, I will help how to make eggs really good full guide. Quick recommendation. I love the Owala water bottle for staying hydrated while cooking, and it's easy to grab between steps. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the bottle link and other deals. It keeps me cooking and you refreshed. Now let's get back to the video. I will help you layer flavors without overpowering the eggs, using small, impactful additions. A splash of cream or milk yields silkier scrambles, while grated cheese melts into pockets of savory richness. Fresh herbs add brightness, and a pinch of smoked paprika or cracked pepper creates depth. Use acid like lemon juice or vinegar sparingly to lift the taste, and always taste before adding more salt so you don't overshoot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.